She's a bridge builder whose philanthropic ideals are matched by her ability to bring people together to effect positive change. Alumna Anne Mahon has built a reputation for amplifying the voices of the disempowered, whether in Manitoba or across the world. Self-taught as an oral history author, Ms. Mahon uses her writing to reveal stories about people that highlight resilience and hope. She was nominated for the John Hirsch Award for Most Promising Manitoba Writer in 2018. Her first book, The Lucky Ones, African Refugees' Stories of Extraordinary Courage, earned the Winnipeg Public Library's On the Same Page Book Award. Her second book, Redemption, Stories of Hope, Resilience, and Life After Gangs, was released in October 2017. All proceeds go to charities that empower the communities each book represents. Growing up in Winnipeg, Ms. Mahon was inspired by her mother, an excellent listener, and her father's steadfast commitment as a salesman. Her post-secondary path initially had her headed toward a business degree before she discovered her creativity best fit in the marketing of apparel and textiles. She began her career in the clothing industry, in manufacturing and buying, after graduating from the University of Manitoba in 1987. It was at university where she met her husband, Paul Mahon. Together, they have also championed their alma mater through philanthropic support, deeply enriching the learning environment and student experience for years to come. Her volunteer work to create meaningful change spans more than 3 decades and is inspired by a drive to support the stories, lives, and aspirations of those most in need. In doing so, she feels changed as well. As a United Way of Winnipeg fundraising committee member, she helped raise $14 million for inner-city families through the Family Resource Centre initiative. She is also a member of UNICEF Canada's 25th team, a philanthropic women's group focused on international development. Ms. Mahon volunteered with the Immigrant and Refugee Community Organization of Manitoba for 9 years, supporting newcomer adults learning English. She was also a founding board member of Humankind International. In 2014, this immigrant-led aid organization, based in Winnipeg, built a school in northeastern Kenya's Dadaab refugee camp, the world's largest refugee settlement. Believing in the transformative power of hope, she co-founded a book club at the Women's Correctional Center to bring common ground while talking about the magic of books. Her life's work thrives at the crossroads of storytelling, community building, philanthropy, and education. Inducted as the 14th Chancellor of the University of Manitoba, Ms. Mahon brings to her role a commitment to diversity, inclusion, and opportunities for all.